If you need to cancel a pending transfer on the Nasdaq private market, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. This guide will help you navigate the cancellation efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Nasdaq private market platform by entering your login credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage transfers. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the transfer to cancel. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel from the list of pending transactions. Click on it to view the details and options available for the transfer. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation. Look for a cancel transfer button or link associated with the selected transfer. Click on it and follow any prompts to confirm your decision to cancel. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After initiating the cancellation, you may receive a confirmation message or email. Ensure that you check for this confirmation to verify that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transfer on the Nasdaq private market. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.